Welcome to this video. It's Tom O'Brien here, the mental health herbalist, talking to you today about CBD and its potential as a treatment for depression. And recently the Irish government conducted a scientific review of cannabis for medicinal use, and of course they found that there was insufficient evidence, at least evidence of pharmaceutical grade cannabis to show the results. So it just shows you the link between government, the medical profession, and the big pharma companies. The pharma companies want to control the production of medicinal cannabis. They influence the medical profession, who are very closely linked, not independent, and then the government, who must bow to scientific evidence. But recently, I had a subscriber from another country where medicinal cannabis is widely used. It's legal, at least. And he was suffering from depression and had tried many different things and was exploring herbs. But in the meantime, he researched cannabis oil, and he had some great results, and he just wanted to share them with me, and he sent me a little testimonial. I was suffering from severe depression for about 6 years and felt suicidal with all the somatic symptoms such as fatigue and weight gain. I tried lifestyle changes and the medication, which gave me bad side effects. I researched CBD oil as a last resort, and it totally changed my life. It's been proved to increase serotonin levels just like medical SSRI pills do. I noticed it took away my depression straight away with no side effects. I told my psychiatrist and therapist, who were both surprised. My family also were surprised, and I highly recommend this to anyone. So please do your research and see for yourself. And he sent me links to CBD Project, which is a Californian-based non-profit that brings to the public the scientific evidence for a range of benefits of CBD. I'm delighted to share with you today 13 studies just focusing on CBD for the treatment of depression. So let's have a look at these studies. So this first study looks at our bodies in that they produce natural cannabinoids, which, if out of balance, will affect our mood. CBD from the cannabis plant then helps to restore balance and improve mood. In the second study, they reviewed a series of studies that looked at the antidepressant and anti-anxiety effects of CBD in animal models, and agreed that CBD had an antidepressant and anti-anxiety effect. The third study supports other research that suggests a deficit in endocannabinoid signaling may result in depressive and anxiety states. In the fourth study, they looked at CB1 receptors and their role in regulating mood in the presence of cannabinoids. The next study then found that CBD induces antidepressant effects similar to those of some antidepressants. Moving on then to number 6, this study examined the emotional and cognitive effects from a deficit in endocannabinoids with the increasing risk of depression. Next, number 7, this study found that the THC and other cannabinoids exert antidepressant-like actions, helping to improve mood. Number 8, this study looked at the endocannabinoid system and its role in relation to stress as a trigger for depression. Number 9, this study examined the link between depression, cardiovascular disease, and the endocannabinoid system. Number 10, this study examined the potential for new classes of antidepressants based on treating the endocannabinoid system. Number 11, this study recognised the significant role of the endocannabinoid system in the way that antidepressants act, and this has implications for future CBD as a future antidepressant. Number 12, this study recognises the role that CBD could have as a novel and fast antidepressant drug. And number 13, this study suggests that CBD may be beneficial for the treatment of clinical depression. So you can see from most of these studies, we're examining the effects of the endocannabinoid system, which is the system within our nervous system in our brain that produces natural cannabinoids, and when these cannabinoids are out of balance or in deficit, it leads to effects on our mood. And so by supplementing with CBD from the cannabis plant, we can help to restore harmony, balance, and the natural state of well-being. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today. If you found this beneficial, let me know in the comments below your experience of depression, the treatment of medication, herbal medicine treatments. Have you tried CBD oil? Let me know in the comments below, and share this video with your friends if you think it might benefit them. So if you haven't subscribed, why not subscribe as well when you're here, and I'll see you in a video very soon. Take care. Bye bye.